guys, welcome back to Nanhua Performing Arts Group Dance Lessons. My name is Bobby. Today we'll be doing a dance piece called Sofa. Let's get started. The first movement is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, jump, 3, 2, jump, 3, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ba ba da, and up, down. And from here. 1, 2, 3, ba. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And up, down, turn, turn. From this movement. 5, 6, 7, go. Ba, ba, da. And back. Again, from this movement. 5, 6, 7, go. Ba, ba, turn, turn, back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Ba, da, turn, turn, up. Ba, ba, da. 1, 2, 3. Let's combine from the top till the end with music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and ba, jump. 1, 2, ba, get. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.